how to easily peel bananas for Matoke, avoiding its sticky substance. So we're only going to use only one ingredient, and that is the cooking oil. So what you do, you rub the cooking oil on your hands, fully covered, just like this. Rub the same cooking oil on the knife that you're using. See, it's fully covered. Yes, you'll be a little bit oily, but you'll be grateful for this method. So we're going to do it in two ways. So the first way is you do this, whereby you dissect one seedling, then you just peel like this. My bananas are smaller, but see what this method does is it doesn't leave any part of the skin. Let's do another one. Oops, that's so deep, but yeah, it's going to work. So this process may be a little tedious, but trust me, it looks like my bananas are almost being ripe, but anyway, still I have to cook it. I think I've left them for long, and I did cut deep this one. So what this does, see these ones, I'll show you on the next way of doing it. It makes sure it's clean. Another way is just the peeling part, where we just peel. I think this is the method that most people use. But sometimes I feel like this style, you end up wasting a lot of banana in it. My bananas are smaller, but yeah. So this is another type. I think most people do this. It's much faster than the previous method. The other one is a little bit slower. But you realize my knife is clean, my hands the same. I don't have any sticky things from bananas. Okay. This method, sometimes I feel like you waste a lot of bananas in it. Then again, sometimes never that accurate, because you have to come and remove these parts. Yeah. So this one is still perfect, but it's a little bit tedious. So the first method I showed you, if you can see, it leaves you the entire banana. Well, this one, it won't be even because you'll be chopping some parts. But all these are the two methods that you can peel your bananas. Got the knife. Very clean. Let me just remove this part. It doesn't stick as such. And we have our knife back. My hands are clean. So you didn't know, this is the easiest method that I'll always go for because you move faster. This one is a little bit slower and tedious. And if you have done your nails, for sure you don't want to go this process, but this is the best one to go with. It's much faster. So here I have my bananas ready peeled and ready to be cooked, to be served with stew or any protein of your choice. So I hope you've learned something. I'll share another method of peeling bananas in the next videos. Bye.